Hello world, and welcome to my channel. This video is on a butane gas cooker I bought. Had one for years. I've had a couple others in between which failed after a couple of years. So I've gone back to my original one I bought many years ago. And I'm trying to find a way to have one that's a bit better. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers. Okay. This is one I just got from Supercheap Auto. It's a premium single butane stove, and the beauty about it is it has a couple of features. It has a plate that goes on top, you can remove it, and the burner actually has a windshield around it. So I'll open up soon and show you what's in there. But first, this is my old one. Case, got a crack through it. In there, and it's been around for years. This one. And that's it there. One of the original ones I had. Gasmate, Travel Mate stove. Now it's been working fine, except it's really hard to cook when it's blowing a gale or any wind around, really. Put that over there, down here. Yeah, so because it's been so hard to cook on that other stove, I actually went and bought this online. Which is a wind deflector. I bought this. Folds out like that. And you can put it any shape you can around something. But the trouble with this is, it blows over when the wind's blowing. I'm forever trying to find a spot to cook, and when the wind is blowing you can't even cook a steak. Very hard, just steams a steak. It doesn't cook it properly. I like it fried quickly, but it just won't do it. So I've tried this and it blows over as well, but I'll find a use for this one day. It folds up like that, just goes into a bag like that. It has worked, but as I said, the wind's blowing a bit too strong, which I have been in the past. Can't use it, just blows over. Anything you put in front of it blows over. So this is what I've got. So you can see it here. You can see the cooker with the plate on top, and it was $49 from Supercheap Auto. Take that off, undo that, open it up. I'll just take you up here, put you up there, and put you down there like that so you can see it. So you can see what's in it. You got the booklet, operating instructions. Yeah, it tells you what features are on it, about the safety shut off and things like that. See that? windy today. I hope it's not blowing too much in the camera. One side, so that's what you get. I'll take you down here now. You can see this ring around it like that. It stops the wind from blowing it. Opens up like a normal one. It's warned you not to have an oversized cooking pot on here because you can probably get the canister get too hot, I assume. Locks it in and out, and Piezo ignition, of course. Right, and here's a plate to get with it. Teflon coated plate, cooking plate. See that? And that goes on top like that. So you can fire it up. You can boil a kettle if you wish. I don't use a kettle on these. I got a Camp Master quick boil, which I use all the time, and you can cook sausages and things on here. Now that's the time when I'm not always going to be using the electric stuff I've got. Bacon and eggs in the morning. Yeah, so this will be used most of the time. So I'll just take you down here to show you what it looks like close up. I'll just adjust you back up. Yeah, you can see this plate here comes on and off, and that ring. You can see that edge of that ring up here. Up there is the edge to stop the wind from blowing your flame out. Now hopefully the heat will then be directed straight up, and it should eliminate all these hassles I've been having trying to cook on it, because I think 70% of the time I'm out there is a wind blowing around, especially if you're on the beach, and more so inland. Inland they seem to have more wind out there than on the beach, but yeah, I always get those afternoon sea breezes come in. And it's Ryder from Super Cheap. Not a bad looking stove. All the warnings, of course. Standard cooker. But yeah, what sold me was this ring around it. This wind deflector ring shield, and this plate that just fits on top. All in a nice little package. I'm not going to show you how it cooks on it, but I'll do that another day. But this is going to be just a quick review of it and show you what it looks like. Yeah, I'll just get some gas out of my pantry. Take the top of it off. Put it in here. Close that up, lock it in place, and fire it up. Yeah, hard to see a flame, but it is windy, and the flame's going straight up. So yeah, that wind deflector works well. Still blowing it a little bit because there's nothing on top, but yeah, I think it'll work well. I'll just turn it off. Always release the canister, because several times I didn't do it, especially at night. You can see a little tiny flame there. I've had several of these units, and that happens all the time. So Ryder. So I think it's going to work well for times when I'm out bush or on the beach and it's got a wind. trying to cook anything on it is really hard, and that's why I've gone to electric stuff. But you can't keep using electric stuff all the time. It's I will be using this. In my pantry here, I've got this Camp Master quick boil, and the cylinder under here for the Camp Master. They're the extra large ones. I use that every time it's out permanently on the table when I go away. So this is my little pantry. Everything goes in here. Yeah. That plate on. Yeah, that's how it goes on, like that. I'm not going to heat it up. It doesn't slip off. It's got little retaining edges on it. Yeah, so you can cook on that. And there's very little gap between there and that edge of this. Yeah, I think it's going to work well. $49, can't go wrong. I don't want to go to a gas bottle. I already got a gas bottle. I think it's a 2.5 kilo gas bottle. Then you have to store it outside somewhere. Then I have to go and buy a cooker. Mine rusted away. When these are good. Portable, light. Yeah. Okay, the features of this stove is a new 2-stage dual safety cut-off controls, overpressure safety gas cut-off device, overpressure safety canister ejection device, Piezo ignition, Piezo, variable heat control, of course, built-in burner windshield. Energy heat output is 8,000 BTU and includes the alloy 9-stick cooking plate, compact, light and easy to store. They're the features of it. Caution: for outdoor use only. Must be used in ventilated areas, of course. Oh, both of my doors are open here when I tried it. And everything is on there. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.